Welcome back. This is part 3 in our video series on how to add a customer's contact details to your Salon Studio client card. You'll remember in part 1 we covered adding basic customer information into Salon Studio, things like your client's first name, her surname, her mobile, her birthday, and even her home address. In video 2 we clicked on the additional contact details tab right up here at the top, and we looked at adding in additional contact information. We looked at very important things like your client's gender, her ethnic orientation, her home language, and we also spoke about your customer rating. In today's video, we want to show you how to add a customer photo to your Salon Studio client card. This is extremely important because it makes you look very, very professional. Now, if you have a digital camera in your salon, or maybe you've got a webcam built into your laptop or your computer, it's very quick and easy for you to take a photo of your client and then add that photo into your client card. This makes it very easy for your staff to recognize a client as she walks into the front door. So how do we go about doing it? Well, very easy. Take your mouse and click on the Contact Photo tab found right here at the top of the Salon Studio client card. When you click on the Contact Photo tab, you'll notice that there's a big white screen on your client card. So take your mouse and anywhere in that big white screen, right click on your mouse, and you'll see right at the bottom of the menu options is a little option called Load. Click on that. Now when you click on the Load option, a window will pop up on your computer screen. Now depending on the type of Windows that you're using, you might be using Windows Vista, XP, or Windows 7. Depending on which version of Windows you're using, your little screen that has just opened up might look slightly different to mine. I happen to be using Windows 7. You might be using Windows XP. What you need to do though, it doesn't matter what version of Windows you're using, in this left-hand column, all you need to do is navigate to the place where it says Pictures. Now, if you are using Windows XP, your pictures will be hidden in your My Documents folder. So that's a little tip for you to help you find your pictures easy. But if you're using Windows Vista or Windows 7, simply click on the Pictures folder. You will have some samples or some examples of the pictures that you're going to be looking for. All you need to do is scroll through these pictures. Here we have Jane Smith. And all I need to do is double click on Jane Smith's picture, and there she is. She's automatically loaded into the Salon Studio client card. If you ever want to update Jane Smith's photo and you want to replace it with a new one, all you do is right click on Jane Smith's photo and click delete, and there it's gone. Now I also want to let you know, you don't need to panic. It hasn't deleted the photo from your computer. It's only deleted the photo from your Salon Studio client card. To put the photo back or to update it with a new photo, simply click load, go back to your pictures and find Jane Smith's photo. Once again, all you need to do is double click on her photo, and there it is. There's one last thing that you need to do, and all you have to do now is click on the Save and Close button right in the top left hand corner of your client card. Now that Jane Smith is loaded, you'll notice in the right hand corner of your Salon Studio client database you have a photo of Jane Smith. That helps your staff recognize her before she even walks in the door. Plus you have additional information like her last appointment, her next appointment, how many SMSs you've sent her, how many times Jane Smith has visited your salon, as well as how many times she's come late, she's cancelled the appointment, or not shown. So there we have it. It's really simple. It's very quick and easy to upload a client's information into Salon Studio. And remember, your customer database is your target market. We have a saying in marketing that says the profit is in the list. How long is your customer database? So make sure you look after your customer database, because as I told you in video 1, it's your customer database that determines whether you fail or whether you succeed.